Hi everyone, this is Shubham and I am going to tell you a trick to calculate the bond order in almost 10 seconds. First of all, let me tell you the general formula for calculating the bond order, which is bond order equal to half number of bonding electron minus number of antibonding electron. Now for species having total electrons more than 14, the general electronic configuration is sigma 1s, sigma antibonding 1s, sigma 2s, sigma antibonding 2s, sigma 2pz, pi 2px, pi 2py, pi 2px, this is antibonding, and pi 2p antibonding y, sigma 2pz. So this is the general electronic configuration for species having more than 14 electrons. Now let me show you an example. For example, we have to calculate the bond order for NO. So the atomic number of N is 7 and of O is 8. So the total electrons in NO equals 15. This is the total electrons. So for the bond order, we will fill the electrons in this electronic configuration. And so 1s2, including 1s2, this is 8, 10, 12, 14 and 1, 15. So according to the formula, bond order of NO equals half number of bonding, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, minus number of antibonding, which is 2, 4 and 1, 5. So the bond order of NO becomes 5 by 2, which is 2.5. So now let me take one more example for CO. The atomic number of C is 6 and of O is 8. So the total electrons becomes 14. So the bond order is sigma 1s2, 2, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So for CO it will be till here. So half bonding 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minus antibonding, which are 4. So this gives us 6 by 2, which is 3. So my way of calculating the bond order is simply to draw a graph which goes like this. We'll have 0. On the y-axis, we'll represent the bond order. This will be 1, 0.5, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3. So this will go till 3, and here we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12. This will go till 20. So you have to draw this till 20, 19, and this goes for 20. So this is the number of electrons. So for example, we have to find for NO. We saw that the total electrons are 15. So simply we'll see the total electrons here. So 15, for 15 electrons, the bond order is 2.5, which is what we have in the previous question. And for the CO, we had the total electrons equals 14, and for 14 we have the bond order as 3. Now let me take one more example of O2, 2 negative. The total electrons are 16 and 2, 18. So the total electrons are 18. So we will see in the graph, and for 18 we have the bond order equals 1. So simply you can find it, the bond order. Now if you practice this trick regularly, you will be able to find the bond order in just 10 seconds. If you find this video helpful, I will appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.